Hi, welcome back. When we work with APIs, microservices, or modern applications, data is almost always exchanged in JSON format. But many developers see JSON as just a confusing set of curly braces, square brackets, and quotes, and that creates confusion, especially when working with backend systems. In this video, we will simplify JSON and understand what it actually is and how to read it. This will prepare us for upcoming videos where we will work with JSON in Java using different libraries. So the first thing comes in our mind is what is JSON? So let's simplify. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. In the full form of JSON, JavaScript is mentioned, but JSON is not limited to JavaScript. We will see how it works with other programming language. The second point is it is language independent, means JSON can be used between different types of service. For example, it can be used between Java to Java services, or it can be used between Java to Node.js services, or even Node.js to React.js. So we have a great level of flexibility using JSON. The third point is it is text-based data format used to represent and exchange data between systems. You can think of JSON as a simple, lightweight, and structured way to represent information so that different applications can understand each other easily. The next point is it can carry data as JSON object or JSON array. We will see about these two types of structures in a moment. Now let's look at how JSON actually looks like. JSON is built using key value pairs as you can see on your screen. On the left side we have keys which are always strings. On the right side we have values which can be different data types. So for the keys you can see on the screen is ID, name, skills, active, and at the right side 101 Safdar, and in the square brackets you can see many values and finally true. In this example, ID is a number, name is a string, skills is an array, active is a boolean. Curly braces represent a JSON object, always remember, and square brackets represent a JSON array, which we'll see in our next slide. Once you understand this basic structure, reading JSON becomes much easier. This is an example of JSON array in which you can see there are two JSON objects enclosed by curly braces, and all objects are encapsulated by a pair of square bracket. By this way, as per requirement, we can send or receive the data in the form of object or array, and within that objects we can also pass different data types like string, number, boolean, or even again a list of array. So let's summarize this video. The purpose of making this video was to scratch the surface about JSON only. Now we know what is JSON, what data types it supports, how it can be used in between many different types of platforms, what is its basic structure. In the next video, we will look at the most popular Java-based JSON libraries and understand when and why they are used. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.